Hi guys! I wanted to come on today to show you guys some quick, easy tips to take your makeup look from day to night just by switching your lips and your eyes. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the basic Flawless in 5 set, which includes the Tint Skin Hydrating Foundation. So I applied the foundation to the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use the retractable brush to apply it to my face. So you'll see this gives you a really nice flawless finish with a really even skin tone. Next up, I'm going to conceal my skin with the concealer pen. So this is great for evening the skin tone underneath your eyes and also spot concealing any unevenness you might have. Okay, next up, I'm going to put on my blush. I'm going to use Beautycounter's Bloom Tulip. Pressing the brush into the palette, and then you smile. So I like to go back in with the brush I used for my foundation to blend my blush at the end. All right, next we're going to do eyes. I'm using Beautycounter's medium brow pencil. I'm using Beautycounter's Ultimate Nudes eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to go in with Cherry Blossom to start. So this color is really pretty on its own, and you can wear this during the day really easily. I'm going to dip into Spice next, which is the medium toned color in the middle. I'm taking a dry, fluffy brush now to blend. So what I did was I placed the lightest color Cherry Blossom all over the lid, and then I placed the medium color Spice into the crease, and then I took a dry, fluffy brush and blended the two colors together. So for the daytime, I'm not going to put on an eyeliner right now. I'm going to finish with mascara and lips. I'm using Beautycounter's Lengthening Mascara in black. I just love the way that this mascara looks on my eyes. It really separates and lengthens the lashes really beautifully. So last, I'm going to use one of our new Color Intense lipsticks. You can also use any of the sheer lipsticks, which are really beautiful too. Today I'm going to use the color Brunch. This color is perfect for the day, but I also love that it gives you just enough color to wear at night as well. So I really love how the Flawless M5 can be built upon by adding some eyeshadow and a little bit more intense lip with the Color Intense lipstick. So now I'm going to show you how to take this look tonight by adding one more layer of eyeshadow, eyeliner, and a bolder lip. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so I'm going to dip my brush into the Espresso color, which is the third and darkest color in the line that we were working with. And you bring that into the crease. So you can put the darker color in the crease of your eye and then also drag the corner down like into a V shape. Use a brush with no color on it to blend. So I love how this palette is set up to make it really, really easy for you. You start with the lightest color on the lid, the medium color in the crease, and then the darkest color you can add to the crease and bring down to the lash line to give you a more dramatic kind of smoky eye look. The key really when doing a smoky eye is to use a brush to blend the colors together at the end. You really can't over blend. You can always add more color on if you feel like you removed too much. So I really love how this looks. I'm going to add a little bit more definition with a black eyeliner. I'm using Beautycounter's Color Outline Eye Pencil in black. And you can use the sponge end to blend the liner to give it a little bit of a more smoky look. So since this is an evening look, I'm going to do a bolder, darker lip as the finishing touch. So I already took off the brunch that I was wearing before, and I'm going to put on Little Black Dress, which is another one of Beautycounter's Color Intense lipsticks. I love how this color has a little bit of a purple undertone, so it matches the eyeshadow really beautifully. And it's still a neutral color, so it doesn't feel like super bright or like something I couldn't easily pull off. And it's perfect that it's called Little Black Dress, because if I could throw on a little black dress right now, I would feel like $1,000,000, and I think that this lipstick really just like finishes off the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial taking your day makeup to night, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment or message me. Thanks for listening.